Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Guys, right now I have HP Smart Tank 515 printer, and the issue is with the printer is not feeding paper well. Today I am going to teach you how to clean the rollers, okay, and which things you need to consider while you are cleaning the feeder rollers, because these feeder rollers are little expire or there is a dust on the roller. So how to clean it uh, and which thing you need to know. Stay with me and watch the complete video. Unscrew these two screws in the front and two screws over here. We will open the top cover because I want to clean the feeder roller, but we have to remove the top cover, and the screwdriver needed is called T5 screwdriver. You can find it in the electronic shop. Two screws are over here. Okay, screws are removed. Just we have to now open this top cover. Open the top cover and leave it like this. These are the rollers that we need to clean. Okay, so now we can insert our hand to clean the rollers. Close the front cover we will give the print command, and take a small cloth napkin and any glass cleaner, okay, because we have to remove the dust from here. Now take the hand inside, and I will give print command from the dashboard, so it will rotate the feeder roller and then we will clean the rollers. It will rotate automatic, and I will just place my hand on the roller and then it will clean by itself. Okay, look, it's rotating and it's cleaning. Small amount of WD-40 spray, place it over here. Now we will clean because it will remove the dust also. Now we will place the paper. Right after cleaning the rollers, guys, I gave the print test page, and you can see it's feeding the paper very well. You can see it's feeding the paper. Now there is no issue at all with the printer, it's feeding paper very well. Hope you understand the method. If you have any other question regarding HP Smart Tank 515, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.